Hello, placement catchers. Welcome to our next how-to video. My name is Natalie and I am here to show you how to use top menu options and global search in Placement Catcher. Let's start. In this video, we are going to show you what is the top menu, what are the top menu options, where to find a global search, and how to use global search. In the top right corner, there is a top menu. You can see the current logged user's avatar, name, and email. When you click on it, the menu with the account configuration option will pop up. The first option is interface style. You can choose between light and dark themes. Next, there is a language option. For now, we support only 4 languages, but the number of languages will likely increase over time. Depending on your account access rights, you might or you might not have the account option. This one is reserved for providing data about your company, billing information, and invoices. The fourth option is change password. To do that, you will have to type your current password once and the new password twice. If you forget your password, there is another recovery option on the login page. Next is your profile page. All the configuration data and settings are there. You can find here your personal information, your profile image, your avatar, and all your settings. The next option is a shortcut to our Google extension marketplace. If you still did not activate the Placement Catcher extension, we highly recommend you do it now. There is another video where you can find step-by-step how to do it and how to use the extension. The last option is log out. Once you click it, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Left from the top menu, there is a global search. The idea behind this feature is that recruiters from time to time look for some not related data to their current work. For example, you are working on some application and a colleague asks you for a candidate. If you switch the page, you will be lost your current work. Do not worry, there is a solution. You can type whatever you want in the global search and will search the whole database. The search result is grouped by sectors. You can find the first 3 records in any sector, the total number of records, and you also have a Show More button if you need to have a deeper look. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, be free to send us an email or visit our webpage for more information. Do not forget to follow us on social media so you don't miss some important news. See you soon!